In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a Cloudflare Ray ID. Whether you're managing site security or troubleshooting specific events, knowing how to locate and understand a Cloudflare Ray ID can provide you with valuable insights. First, let's begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. Make sure you have your credentials on hand to avoid any delays. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Cloudflare dashboard, your control center for managing site performance and security. It's a great idea to familiarize yourself with this dashboard since it provides access to a wide range of tools and settings. Next, direct your attention to the Security section, found on the left side menu. Click on it, and you'll notice an option for Events, which might also be labeled as Firewall Overview depending on the version you're using. As you access this section, you're entering a treasure trove of data detailing firewall and security events associated with your site. To locate a specific Ray ID, you'll need to utilize the filter options. Look for the Filter drop-down menu, and from there, select Ray ID. Enter the desired Ray ID you're searching for in the provided field. Upon doing so, you'll gain a comprehensive view of the associated request. Here, you'll see essential information such as the originating IP address, any rule triggers that might have been activated, and precise timing details of the event. This level of detail is incredibly helpful for diagnosing issues or simply understanding how site security is being enforced. For those who require even deeper insights, Cloudflare provides additional logging tools that can be immensely powerful. One such tool is the Log Explorer. If you're looking to conduct a detailed analysis of events or need to correlate specific incidents, the Log Explorer can offer full log access, allowing you to dive into the minutiae of your site's activity. For users with enterprise-level plans, there's even more information readily available. Enterprise logs not only provide a broader view, but also incorporate Ray IDs directly within server logs. This integration can significantly simplify cross-referencing data between Cloudflare and server-side events, enhancing your overall analytical capabilities. Understanding how to effectively search and utilize Cloudflare Ray IDs can elevate your site management skills, providing you with precise control over how your site navigates the complex web of internet traffic. By following these steps and leveraging the power of Cloudflare's logging tools, you can confidently manage any security challenges that arise, ensuring your site remains secure and operates smoothly. Feel free to explore Cloudflare's documentation and support resources if you encounter any issues or need further clarification. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for your Cloudflare journey.